Okay, here's our starter for today. Hopefully you worked on it. So what I'm going to do is go through this just like I taught you in class. So the first thing you want to do is put a box around the expression on each side. We don't really have an expression on the right, so we're just putting the box around the left. And then divide your expression into terms. Remember, you do that by putting a divider in front of or to the left of every plus or minus sign. Then you need to identify whether you have variable terms or constant terms. Variable terms, get a jagged underline. Constants, get a straight underline. Variable and constant. We know the difference between, because variable terms have letters, constant terms are just numbers. Then we combine the things that have the same underline. So x minus 5x is negative 4x. And 7 plus 3 is 10. And we combined our like terms. Now we have that equals negative 22. Now we're going to go back to how we learned to solve two-step equations. We're going to circle our constant and underline our coefficient. We undo the addition or subtraction first. So we're going to subtract 10 from both sides to undo that addition. That gives us negative 4x equals negative 32. When you add two negatives, you just add the numbers and keep the sign. And now we're going to deal with the coefficient by dividing by the coefficient on both sides. Negative 4 divided by negative 4 is 1, and 1 times x is just x. And negative 32 divided by negative 4, negative divided by negative is positive, gives us positive 8. I'm going to go ahead and check that by substituting 8 into our original equation. So I've got 8 plus 7 minus 5 times 8 plus 3, and I'm hoping that equals negative 22. So 8 plus 7, I'm going to do that first. We got 15. Minus 5 times 8 is negative 40. And I'm going to put the plus 3 there. Looks like I've got 15 plus 3 is 18. So I've got negative 40 plus 18. And in order to do that, you go 40 minus 18, which is 22. And then the negatives had more. 40 is more than 18, so that gives us negative 22, which is exactly what we needed. So that is the correct answer. Hopefully we have enough room to do this other one. Okay, so again, put a box around your expression. Divide up by terms. Constant, variable, variable, constant. So x minus 7x is negative 6x, because x is just 1x. Remember that secret coefficient there. And 5 minus 8 is negative 3. And that equals negative 27. Then I'm going to do our two-step equation process. Circle your constant, underline your coefficient, add 3 to both sides to undo that minus 3, and you get negative 6x equals negative 24. Then I'm going to get rid of that negative 6 by dividing by negative 6 on both sides. And that gives me x equals negative divided by negative is positive, and 24 divided by 6 is 4. Again, I'm going to go over here and check my answer. 5 plus 4 minus 7 times 4 minus 8, and I'm hoping that equals negative 27. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Negative 7 times 4 is negative 28 minus 8. So let's see, 9 minus 8 is 1. So I have negative 28 plus 1, which is negative 27, which is exactly what I needed. There we go. That is the correct answer. Good job.